Hello Superuser, so today we're going to learn how to finally put fermatas on every single part. So if you've used fermatas at all in Finale before, you might remember that normally what you have to do is you have to have a note like this and then come over here to the articulations tool and then type in a fermata. And if you do that, well, it shows up on that part of the score and it shows up in the part, and then it doesn't show up in any of the other parts ever, and this can really get confusing to your players. The music can see like, oh, there's no fermata here, and then suddenly either one person stops or the conductor stops or something happens, and then it's just a big mess. So really, fermatas need to be on every single other part. Now, most notation programs out there that I know of, when you put a fermata in on one part, they'll automatically put it on all the other parts, but Finale doesn't do that. So today we're going to look at how to do that, and the key is to, instead of using an articulation which is attached to a note, we're going to use an expression which can be attached to the staff or system. So let's take a quick look at this. First of all, we're going to delete what we have here, just for fun, reapply music spacing, and then go to our expressions tool. And first, we're just going to have it in the middle of the measure, right? Like as if there is, I don't know, a whole note here, and we just want to have a fermata on all this stuff. So double click, and we're going to put it in tempo alterations. So you can also put it in like tempo marks or like rehearsal marks, but I like tempo alterations, because really a fermata is a alteration to the time. We're just stopping. So create new tempo alteration, uncheck use tempo category fonts because we want Maestro font size 24, and Shift U will give us a fermata. Positioning, justification center if you want it right in the middle of the measures. Then we go down here to where it says center between bar lines. Above staff baseline, I like above staff reference line personally. Or you can do it literally right on staff baseline, but staff reference line, 0.125. This is in inches. Hit OK, and there we go. It's above that. Now you'll notice it doesn't look like it's above every single other part, but that's because it's a tempo alteration. Just like if we were to have retardando or a tempo, it just is altering whatever the tempo is. But if we look in all the other parts, fermata, 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 and every single other part, there is a fermata. Now what if we wanted to, just for fun, adjust this that way in the score it still looks like it's on every single part? Come over here, we're actually going to edit categories, duplicate it, yada yada yada, score list 1 instead of that. Well, let's select on the score list 5. Pretty much just anything other than score list 1. Edit. Check all staves, and then the top stave of the staff. Hit OK. Hit OK. Move this over there using the move to. Yes. And then assign. And now it's on every single staff in the score, and it's still on every single part. So that's how you do it if you want it right smack in the middle of the music. Now, however, it might not always be right smack in the middle of the music. Sometimes you might have like 4 chord notes here. Now obviously this is not how you want to notate it if you want the fermata right here. So we're going to come back up, edit the fermata, and instead of center between bar lines, we want to do center of all note heads. Hit OK, there's a dialog box, hit assign, and now we notice it, well, because we just put it right at the beginning, it's right there at the beginning. But if we want it like on the 4th note, we put it there. And doing this method with having it over the beat like this works really well if you're of the opinion that even those resting should have it over that specific note, like that. Now, if you're not like that, then we're actually going to have to do a bit more work and get a bit more creative. And we're actually going to have to go back to the articulations version of the fermata. This is the one I try to give the least amount of time because it doesn't work the best. So let's say I have a note like this. We want a fermata on it, so I put that as an articulation. Then for everything, I'll highlight it, come up to plugins, note beam and rest editing, change to real whole rests. That allows me to put a fermata on the actual whole rests. So I hope that was useful. That's several ways of putting fermatas on every single part in Finale. You can choose whichever one works best for you. In my personal opinion, they each work well for different situations. If you found this video at all helpful, make sure to hit the like button. That way you know you want more content just like this. Each week I post new content about how to use Finale to its fullest. So if you don't want to miss out on any of those videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below.